Hello kids, welcome to Brain Booster study class. Today we are going to learn colors name and how to draw shape house with help of the 2D shapes. Let's start the video. Triangle shape. Which shape kids? This is a triangle shape. Rectangle shape, triangle, rectangle. Now we draw square shape. Square shape. Cloud shape. Now we learn colors name. Triangle shape, yellow color. Which color kids? This is a yellow color. Square shape, orange color. Which color kids? This is an orange color. Rectangle shape, parrot green color. Which color kids? This is a parrot green color. Cloud shape, sky blue color. Which color kids? This is a sky blue color. Triangle, rectangle, square shape, cloud shape. Bye kids, please like and subscribe my channel.